Okay, just made a deposit of $50. Let's go and look for trading signals. I'll be right back. Okay, I just enter a trade. I may have to pause to see how fast it will go. I enter a trade for like I think 40%. It's currently going up, so I'll be pausing to see how fast it will go. Okay, I had a lot of distraction. First trade pull through, so let me go and look for another signal. Okay, I had a lot of distraction. I just placed another trade. I actually use all the capital. It's almost there. Okay, it has pulled through, so I traded for 27%. There's so much distraction. Okay, right now a $50 deposit is now 89. I think I should do one more trade. Okay, my final trade, I have a lot of distractions. Probably because my mind is not a bit settled. So I will not continue the trading, but look at it here. Let me explain something to you. I started with $50. Now I've made another $50. That's enough for the day. Uh, Once you observe you're having so much distraction, please do not trade. The reason why I'm able to make profit is because I've been very good at this. That's why. So uh, there are times like this trade I enter right now, I didn't cross check. And this is one of the reasons why we say don't trade. Don't trade because the profit you make, you may lose all of them within a jiffy. Yeah, within a jiffy. So I just hope this trade pulls through because I didn't check. I'm already distorted and I'm not supposed to trade. I don't even know why I click on the trade. Probably because I see it climbing, I just felt it will bounce back off. So don't trade if you don't have strong guide. It will eventually pull through because the trend is still there. Okay, you can see. So right now, how much do I have? I'm not trading anymore. I have $124.27. So that's okay. So you stop. Now you want to learn. There is a right way to do things. There is a right way to trade. Even when you are not in the mood, it's like you are not in the mood to go to work. There is a defined structure to follow. When you follow those structure, you are going to win most of the time. So I've been able to grow a $50 into $127. So what profit is that? That's 77 dollar profit. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. God bless you. Okay, I would like to show you because I wanted to make my withdrawal, so I had to process my trade. This was the trade I just did with $50. I like to show you from maybe from statement so that you get to know. Um, Now withdrew. Um, I withdrew this. I withdrew this from this amount. I withdrew it from. That was the profit 140. Uh, that was the old money, like 140 from the USD account. So I had to trade. I had to do one single trade with it so that I can be able to withdraw with Bitcoin. Now, maybe I should. Okay, maybe I should just show you from the USD. uh I would like yeah, USD. Okay, you can see USD withdraw 140, right? So I had 145, so I withdrew 140, just leaving $5. And now that withdrawal, this withdrawal you're seeing is what reflected in this Bitcoin account as deposit. So I had to trade with it so that I can be able to withdraw with it. So I just did one trade for 25%, which is this 25%. So I can withdraw. So in total, if I want to check what I've made, all I need to do is like come here to Bitcoin and check what's the value 0.15 something. Let me check again. 559. 559. So this is 168. Just minus the $50 from it, that's like $118 profit. Yeah, $118 profit. Anybody can do this, but you see, you require to be trained, to be tutored. It is not beans. It is not something that just happened overnight. With the proper training and the proper mindset, you will get to be able to achieve this. So, and next for me now is just to make withdrawal. You can be withdrawing every day, and I'll get to receive this very early in the morning. God bless you. See you in another episode.